Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a grain-free bread alternative? Well, I want to show you this one from Bob's Red Mill. So I love Bob's Red Mill products. There's so many that I absolutely love, and their mixes are awesome. So this is the flatbread mix, and it also can be used to make grain-free wraps, and it makes really good pizza. So it's very simple to use to prepare. There's a couple of recipes on the back for either a flatbread or a wrap. So the wraps are a little bit thinner, and you can use them. It's almost like a crepe, but you can use it to make wrap sandwiches, or I'll use it as a tortilla, all different things. So if you're eating grain-free, you know it can be so difficult to find things that work and are also delicious. So this fits the bill. So it's easy to follow the recipes, very simple to prepare, tastes amazing, and it's super convenient that it's already mixed for you. All you have to do is add your wet ingredients and you're ready to go. So if you need a grain-free pantry staple, I would definitely recommend this one and keep it on hand because it's so versatile, really easy and delicious, and that's my point of view.